Good afternoon, guys. Today I am again back with a new video, and the topic of the video is herbicides, identification and working of herbicides, application of herbicide. So we have heard about many myths about the herbicides, but we will not go to that. We will simply come to the topic. What is herbicides? So herbicides, simply we can say that chemical substance which are used to spray in the field for killing of the weeds. But there is a problem, like if you have wheat field. So in Bihar, many of us know that in wheat field some of mustard plant also come. Then what should we do? Mustard plant is also growing with wheat. We have to kill mustard but not the wheat. So this belongs to the selectivity of herbicides. We will come to that, but simply we would say that a substance which are used to kill weeds are called herbicides. So the next topic is types of herbicides. There are 4 types of herbicides: selective herbicides, non-selective herbicides, broad spectrum herbicides, and narrow spectrum herbicides. Then first topic is non-selective herbicides. Non-selective means if you spray it on any herbs, like on crop plant or weeds, it will kill everyone. Like in Bihar, one of the major non-selective herbicides is glycil. We all say glycil, but glycil is a brand name, and the composition is glycosic, paraquat, diquat. These 3 types are of non-selective. They will kill every plant. They have no selectivity of crops or plant weeds. So first type you have understand, non-selective. Second one is selective herbicides. Selective herbicides have the strong selectivity, very much strong selectivity for the crops, but general selectivity for the weeds. Means if you have 2-3 types of weed in wheat plant, wheat crop, then it will have a strong selectivity for the wheat crop. It will not kill a single wheat crop, but it will kill every weed present in that, or mustard plant, or one Hindi term is called bathua sag, that will kill every weed. That has very much a strong selectivity towards crop, but general selectivity towards wheat. And the main example of it is 2,4-D amine salt, metasulfuran, sulfosulfuran. These are the major example for selective herbicides. Now the third type is broad spectrum herbicides. Broad spectrum herbicides are used to kill all types of weeds. They have no selectivity among the weeds. They are used to kill, but strong selectivity for the crop. Strong selectivity, it is different thing that it is not used in all crop. It is used in some specific crop, but they have a strong selectivity for their specific crop, but no selectivity for the weed. And the major example is bipyravic sodium. This is the major example of broad spectrum. And as I said that they have a strong selectivity for the crop. They have a specific crop also, but it will spread in that crop. It has a strong selectivity. It will not kill a single leaf of crop, but they have no selectivity for the weeds. It will present, any weed will present in that specific crop, that will be killed. And the main example is bipyravic sodium. And the other one is narrow spectrum herbicides. So narrow spectrum herbicides, this have the high selectivity for both crop and weed. Means it will be sprayed in a specific crop for a specific weed, like 2,4-D. As 2,4-D, for why we spread 2,4-D in wheat crop? Because it has a narrow, means it has a strong selectivity for the broad leaves. Broad leaves, mustard leaves are broad, and that sag I told, bathua, that has also a broad leaf. So it has a strong selectivity for the weeds, but in a specific crop, and a strong selectivity for the crop also, means a specific crop for a specific weed. That's all. And the main example is 2,4-D. And the next topic is application of herbicides. There are three types of herbicides application. One is pre-emergence herbicides, other one is post-emergence herbicides, and third one is pre-plant incorporation. Then pre-emergence means before emerging of the weed, and after emerging of the crop, means crop plant grown, and just it is weed crop is just about to grow, and we will apply that, means weed will be killed and plant will be saved. And the main example is cereal crop. Post emergence herbicides means after emergence of herbicides, as word tells that post emergence herbicide means after emergence of herbicides we can spray that. And the main example is 2,4-D biparabic sodium, like this. And other one is pre-plant incorporation, means before sowing of the plant, as in we know in this onion crop. In onion, before sowing of the onion seedlings, we used to give when we irrigate the onion field, we used to give a stump fertilizer which does not let to grow the weeds, and the onion crop will grow. So these are the types of herbicides. Again I will be back with a video. Okay, thank you guys.